All right, lemon lovers rejoice. Michael Shedd, owner of Southern Appetite, shows us how to make a homemade lemon blueberry cake. Take it away.
I'm gonna start off first by making the icing. And what we're gonna do is take 4 sticks of butter. I use 2 salted and 2 unsalted. And we're gonna whip that around for just a few minutes and get it nice and incorporated. Okay, so we whipped this butter for just a few minutes, and I'm gonna add 1 cup of homemade blueberry preserves. And this will give it all the flavor we need. We're gonna let that whip around for another minute or 2. All right, now that this is whipped around for a few minutes, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. That's all the juice from 1 whole lemon. I add a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and mine contains the seeds, because I make my own. And then the zest of 1 lemon. It's been whipping for just a few minutes. So now we're gonna add 2 pounds of powdered sugar to our butter mixture, 1 cup at a time. Putting the last few cups of powdered sugar into here. And when all the sugar's into the buttercream, you just wanna whip it for a good 5 minutes. So when it's finished mixing, you just wanna mix it by hand for just a few minutes to get all of the air bubbles out, and it should look just like that. This is delicious. So now you just take 3 8-inch cakes, and you're gonna take your icing and put it in a piping bag, and you're gonna go around the cake like this. Create a little bit of a barrier there. And inside that barrier, we're gonna add our lemon curd. I add half of this lemon curd in there. I'm gonna add some fresh blueberries, because why not? And then on top of that, we're gonna add a little bit more of these blueberry preserves. Give it lots of flavor in between those layers. I'm gonna take a little spatula, kind of smooth it all out, make sure everything is nice and smooth. Then we get the other cake on here. I'm gonna do that again. Then I'm going to take my last cake and just flip it upside down, just like that. And now we're gonna ice the entire thing. I like to do a crumb coat, put it in the fridge and let it set up for a few minutes, and then put the final coat on at the end. All right, so I've just kind of smoothed out all the icing here, and this is my crumb coat. So what I'm gonna do now is pop it in the fridge for about 15-20 minutes, let this get all nice and hard. I'm gonna apply my final coat, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I've added some vanilla buttercream to the top and to the sides, and now I'm just gonna decorate it with a little bit of blueberry, and my cake will be complete.
I'm not gonna lie, I was sold at the very beginning of that segment when he said we're gonna start with 4 sticks of butter. Well done, that looks delicious.